Well, it got up to near 80 today, and all I really have for ventilation in this brooder is an air hole on this side and an air hole on the other side to get some kind of cross ventilation. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to build something to put here, across here, so that the chicks can get more air. As you can see, they're all over here on this side, about as far away from that light as they can get, so they're pretty hot. So I need to figure this out and build them something real quick. Alright, stick with me. Okay, I broke down some pallets and got some slats. I marked them all at 30 inches because the opening in the brooder is 60 by 30, so I can make basically 2 screen doors. That way I can access one side or I can access the other, or I can have them both up so that they can get air. Alright, I'll show you what I do next. Alright, I got 8 slats. I cut them all down to 30 inches to make basically 2 screen frames, basically. Alright, as you can see, I laid it out. Basically a box. There's going to be a box on one side and a box on the other. And I'm going to put hardware cloth across here to where nothing can get at them and they can't get out. Alright, I'll show you in the next step. Alright, I got both frames built. .30 by 30. Together is 60 by 30. Alright, now I got to put the hardware cloth on. Alright, here we go. Hardware cloth is on. They're both 30 by 30. So that should go over the hole. That way I can move one or the other one if I need to get in there to do anything. Alright. Next step is showing you with them on. Hopefully they fit. And there we go. Two screen windows. I go underneath of the roof when it's hot outside. Alright, I should be able to take this off, even with one hand and the phone in the other. That way I can get in here and do anything I need to. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe, share, comment, leave a thumbs up, and I'll continue making videos.